Hello and welcome to Videojug. We're going to show you how to make some delicious baked apples. Step 1. You will need the following ingredients to serve 4 people. 4 golden delicious apples. And for the syrup, 500 millilitres of apple cider, 4 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of dry sherry, and half a vanilla bean. And for the filling, 70 grams of butter at room temperature, 3 tablespoons of chopped walnuts, 3 tablespoons of sliced almonds, 4 tablespoons of raisins chopped, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, half a teaspoon of cinnamon, and 2 tablespoons of breadcrumbs. And here's a handy list with all the ingredients. You will also need the following utensils: a baking dish, a spoon, a melon ball maker, a saucepan, a bowl, a knife, a cutting board and a teaspoon. Step 2. Preheat the oven. Firstly, set the oven to 160 degrees centigrade or gas mark 2.5. Step 3. Make the syrup. Start by slicing the vanilla bean vertically to make a slit. Then open it up and scrape out the pulp onto the knife point. Then place both the pod and pulp into a saucepan. Pour over the apple cider, sherry, and the 4 tablespoons of brown sugar. Then place the pan onto a medium-high heat and bring it to the boil, giving it a quick, occasional stir. Leave to boil until it reduces by 1/3, which will roughly take about 7 minutes. When reduced, remove from the heat. Step 4. Make the filling. Spoon the butter, walnuts, almonds, raisins, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, breadcrumbs, and the cinnamon into a bowl, and using a spoon mix it well together. Step 5. Prepare the apples. Place your apples onto the chopping board, and using your large knife, first slice off a tiny amount from the bottom of the apple to help them stand upright. Continue by slicing off the top of the apple. And then with your melon ball maker, proceed to core out the centre of each apple. Making a hole about 4 centimetres deep and roughly 2 centimetres across. Step 6. Fill the apples. Using a teaspoon, fill each of the apples with the filling mix until all the mixture has been used. Step 7. Transfer to a baking dish. Place each apple into the baking dish and spoon the syrup over each one, pouring the rest of the liquid into the dish. Step 8. Bake and baste. Place the baking dish into the centre of the oven and bake for 40 to 45 minutes. During the cooking period we have to baste them, so carefully tilt the dish towards you and spoon some syrup over each apple. And leave to cook for the remaining cooking period. Remove when baked. Step 9. Serve. Serve hot, straight from the casserole dish along with the syrup. Add a dollop of fresh cream or ice cream if you want, but be aware that the syrup is rich enough on its own. And that's how to make baked apples, the Videojug way. Enjoy!